Greetings, YouTube. I'd like to unleash back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in today's video, YouTube, we're going to swing you guys back out there to BumbleBee Junction as we conduct our second mixed colored Swiss chard harvest and our third arugula harvest from our planters here at BumbleBee Junction. Hang tight, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, indeed, here we are back out at our 4-section planter here at BumbleBee Junction at Mark and Tina's garden. For those of you who have just recently joined us here on our channel, Mark and Tina currently has mixed colored Swiss chard in their first section of their planter. They have yellow onions and iceberg lettuce in the second section of their planter. They have yellow wax beans in their third section of their planter, and they have arugula in the fourth section of their planter. I'm going to lift this camera up for you guys right now and show you exactly what everything is currently looking like in their planters over here, and show you why indeed today we will be conducting our, again, second mixed colored Swiss chard harvest and our third arugula harvest here at BumbleBee Junction. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Take a look, YouTube. Take a look at Mark and Tina's mixed colored Swiss chard here in the very first section of their garden planter at BumbleBee Junction. Isn't it looking fantastic, YouTube? Again, we will be coming out here and harvesting the larger leaves from our plants out here in this first section of BumbleBee Junction. We will be adding these leaves to a nice salad here later on this evening. These are indeed Mark and Tina's yellow onions here. As you can see, we have 3 rows of yellow onions here in the first front of this planter, and we have 1 row, YouTube, 1 row indeed of iceberg lettuce back there in the back of this planter here at BumbleBee Junction. And indeed, that iceberg lettuce and these yellow onions are looking fantastic right here at BumbleBee Junction. Here in this third section of BumbleBee Junction, we have our yellow wax beans, YouTube, and indeed, they have completely just taken off here in this planter, completely filled the planter that we have them planted in, and they are growing at a geometric rate. We already have blossoms beginning to form on our yellow wax bean plants here at BumbleBee Junction after only 2.5 weeks, and we're super excited at the growth rate at which our yellow wax beans right here at BumbleBee Junction are currently performing. Here in this next planter, YouTube, this next planter indeed is our arugula, and YouTube, tell me, is it looking well or what? We have a lush green bed here in this third planter, this fourth planter here at BumbleBee Junction of arugula. YouTube, it is indeed a pretty deep green, and we're going to come out here and harvest this arugula way back. We're probably going to actually end up removing some entire plants from this planter to give the remaining plants a little more growth space and a little less need to fight for nutrition with the other plants alongside them. But again, we will be indeed harvesting our arugula in this fourth section of BumbleBee Junction and our mixed colored Swiss chard here in the first section of BumbleBee Junction. And we'll bring you guys back at the end of the harvest and show you how much mixed colored Swiss chard we harvest and how much arugula we harvest. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, indeed, this is our Swiss chard leaf harvest from our mixed colored Swiss chard right here at BumbleBee Junction, and this is what our Swiss chard plants currently look like after the harvest. In the background, YouTube, we currently have Mrs. Grows It All out there at Sweet Baby Red, conducting another harvest of sweet mint, lemon thyme, rosemary, and basil from that planter out there. Next up, YouTube, we will indeed be harvesting our arugula from this planter, and we'll bring you guys back after the harvest, show you what our planter looks like after the harvest, and show you how much arugula we harvest. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we're back, and this is indeed what our arugula harvest currently looks like. We got a nice, about 2-quart bowl of arugula here. This is indeed again what our mixed colored Swiss chard looks like after the harvest. And this is what our arugula looks like after the harvest, YouTube. As you can see, we came through, we actually removed several entire plants from our planter over here to give our remaining plants a little more sunlight and give them access to more of the actual nutrients and water that we put on this planter over here. But indeed, YouTube, indeed, this has been our arugula and mixed colored Swiss chard harvest right here at BumbleBee Junction. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, harvesting arugula and mixed colored Swiss chard from BumbleBee Junction. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Unleashed on this track, leave haters missing, families looking, don't know where they're at. Say you ain't seen me, I've been in the lab on my grind, cooking up these lyrics to make y'all feel me like the last time. Hold up just a minute, y'all haters take a pause. Don't get too close, don't make me rip you with my lion's claws. I speak my lyrics clearly, hope that y'all understand that I don't auto-tune my voice and I don't need no band. Inhaling information, now watch me drink this knowledge. My IQ higher than most of y'all buzzers that done been to college. I'm stepping on y'all toes, I don't apologize. Show up at the Lions, then be dead and gone by sunrise. But it took 7 years of dedication, blood and sweat for me to get right here. I've watched my haters disappear along the roadside. I guess they know I'm well protected by my lion's pride. I heard you looking for me, you can find me on the rise, flying high just like a bird soaring in the sky. Said you was coming for me, ain't got no time to wait. I'm touching down in Paris, France on my lunch break. Hop back on the plane, I'm back by dinner time. Pick up the hippos in the booth and say what's on my mind. Y'all busters know my name, respect my lion's mane. And y'all stay out my range, y'all know that I done broke my chain.